as you can see, I had a little bit of a problem with this board. I made a snafu with it and accidentally wired it up backwards. But it looks like the only thing that blew was this diode right here, which I will show you for added effect. Wrong way. And that's the culprit right here. Now when I went to remove it, the diode exploded on me a little bit, so unfortunately I can't show you that, but it was a little bit tough to get out. What I will be doing is using these pliers to put this thing, as soon as I can get the camera to focus on it and actually put it in view. In that hole. And what I'm holding is a replacement diode. It should fit the bill rather spectacularly. Now the tool I am using is a burnsomatic butane soldering torch. Heats up fantastically, does a wonderful job, and it has a constant on function. So that way I can continuously solder for a good several minutes. Without any further ado, I'm going to take this away. Commence montage. Okay. I'm done go for the rest of the solder. Oh, there it is. Thought I had it for sure that
Feelings
Looks like my fix is done. Hopefully I didn't overheat the diode. So now that I've performed my repair, I'm going to see if this little thing fires up, or hopefully I put the diode in the right way. This is the most difficult job I've ever done. And I plug it in. Power supply stays on. And I've got screen! I've successfully breathed life back into this little thing. All that's left is to button it up. And that's how you replace an M7 diode on today's how-to.
You liked that, didn't you? Well, there's more on Patreon. There'll be things that can only be seen by supporters. Go to patreon.com/ShadowDragon.
If you want to be a part of the action and reach out to us, you can come join us on our Discord channel. All you have to do is go to shadowfoot.net and click on the Discord button.